Dear students, today we are talking about the environmental impact assessment. The topic is prediction of impacts. This is quite important topic in the analysis of EIA. I mean environmental impact assessment. Prediction of impacts means what? For prediction, different mathematical statistical techniques and methodologies have been developed to developmental activities on physico-chemical, ecological, and socio-economic components of environment. Why we are interested in? Because we are interested in. We proposed many kind of activities in an area. For example, we create somewhere dam, we create somewhere tunnels, we create somewhere bridges. We plot some big infrastructure somewhere else. At that time we try to figure out the impact of that particular activity on the surrounding environment during their operational as well as the constructional phases. Initially AIA have focused on impacts on the natural or biophysical environment, such as effects on air, water, flora and fauna, noise levels, climate and hydrological systems. But in last 2 3 decades, the scenario has been changed drastically. What happened now? Now people are thinking about the more detailing about the AIAs, more detailing about their physical and biological environment surrounding their just developmental activities because of developmental activities. So this definition includes facts on human health and safety, flora and fauna, ecosystems, and biological diversities, soil, water, air, climate, and landscape that has to be considered, and their different parameters have considered for prediction. Use of land, natural resources, and raw materials, protected areas, and designated sites of scientific, historical, and cultural significance, heritage, recreation, and amenities, assets, livelihood, lifestyle, and well-being of those affected by proposal. Now we come one by one. Health and safety of human beings. Suppose a bridge is being made or a tunnel is being made somewhere in an area, for example, in an hilly terrain. So how will that tunnel affect the life of the human beings? For that purpose, different type of health parameters will have to be tackled, will have to be assessed at that time before constructing the tunnel, before constructional phases of the tunnel, and the safety of the people also, because you just make a tunnel in an mountain, you dig out mountain, you create a hole in that particular mountain. How will be the safe that overall, i mean completely the mountain and their surrounding and the close vicinity of the area will be stable for a period of long time, or for infinite time. So such kind of issues has been taken into consideration before going into the project. Now come to the second point: flora and fauna, ecosystem and biological diversity. Flora or and fauna means we are talking about the plant and animal beings. How this tunnel will have bad or positive effect on the flora and fauna of that particular ecosystem. And now come to the biological diversity is quite significant to understand, because biological diversity means we are talking about the number of species, different type of species available in an ecosystem or in a particular biological zone. So at that time we have to understand the things. If there are any kind of rare species that can be neglected at the time of environmental impact assessment, but that has to be predicted, because these rare species are only available in